weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist, Kate McKenna.
Well, I do have an update for you pertaining to that tornado watch. Marshall County, Jackson County now removed from the watch. We still have strong, really severe thunderstorms moving through DeKalb County, so the watch is ongoing. I do expect it to be canceled early, though, for DeKalb County, as well previously expected to run until 9 o'clock. But you can see how close this line of storms is to moving out of the area. We still have this little sliver of a warning that continues technically until 6:30, and I'll go ahead and get you a closer view of where this is located. I don't even have a track on this for you right now because this part of the line is getting ready to cross into Cherokee County, and things are really starting to wind down in extreme eastern DeKalb County. You're still hearing some rumbles of thunder likely in Fort Payne, and over towards Fife, where the storm is at its strongest, you are just seeing a couple of spotty showers left over. I put the hail tracks on this for you so you can see that as the storm was producing hail, that swath extended from the west to the east all the way to about Fort Payne. We got a few reports of dime-sized hail, so half an inch and just over that goes along with that information pretty accurately. So as we go through the rest of this evening, we will continue to see this severe threat taper. If you are farther towards the west, your threat for severe weather is pretty much done. This line of storms is coming just ahead of the cold front, and that front is continuing to track out into northwest Georgia. Here's what it looks like all around the area on the WAAY 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam Network. 63 degrees in Muscle Shoals and Huntsville. A stark contrast to the lower 80s that we hit earlier this afternoon. Temperatures still dropping in Guntersville. We're at 73 degrees. So tomorrow morning, get ready for a cooler start to the day. Cooler air just keeps filtering in as the night goes on. We will have a clear sky later tonight. All these clouds will be tracking eastward. And although we wake up to sunshine tomorrow and we're making it into the lower 50s by 9 o'clock, the clouds start building in later in the day. Regardless, we hit a high in the lower 60s. And that's still several degrees below average for this time of year, and it's going to be a touch on the breezy side. Wind out of the west at times gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Clouds do start to build in, remember, during the second half of the day tomorrow, and they'll be lingering into Friday. It's even cooler Friday. Another kind of reinforcing push of some cooler air comes in. Makes for a cold start to the weekend. I'll show you what I mean by that in just a second, but here's how the rest of the night is going to go. Every time I show you this data source, we're getting hour by hour updates here, and it's still kind of slow on the uptake. It's about an hour behind showing the placement of this line of storms regardless. As we go through the rest of this evening now to 8 o'clock, that line is going to be east of the area, and in its wake, a few spotty showers are certainly possible. No severe threat lingering through this time period. I told you that the clearing line is going to start moving through, so here's 10 o'clock, past 10 o'clock, now past midnight. Notice how all the clouds start to shift towards the east and we wake up to sunshine tomorrow morning. Get ready for the jackets in the morning, though, and you might still need them. Definitely, maybe not even jacket weather, coat weather by the time we're waking up Saturday and Sunday morning. So there's a lot to take in here on this 7-day forecast. I told you that the highs tomorrow are in the lower 60s, and I also told you that it's even colder Friday. This is what I mean. 53 degrees your forecast high. Temperature still in the 40s Friday morning, so that's several degrees below average, but we're talking well below average. Temperatures cold enough for a frost Saturday and Sunday mornings. 35 degrees Saturday morning, 33 degrees Sunday morning. Afternoon highs only in the 50s to end the work week and start the weekend. There's the slightest chance for a shower. No major impacts when it comes to precipitation. But then as we get into the beginning of next week, temperatures start to rebound. That happens as early as Sunday, highs in the upper 60s. Rain chances are back just in time for the trash pandas back at home to start our 2022 season.